Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing and pinning the Google Authenticator extension so it's ready when you need it. Once installed, open the account you want to secure and go to its two-factor authentication setup. Make sure you have backup codes or recovery options saved before linking. This prevents lockout. Next, click the Services option to add an Authenticator app, which will show a QR code or secret key you will use in the extension to generate codes. Now add the account to the extension. You either click Add Account and scan the QR code with a camera-enabled prompt, or choose Manual Entry and paste the secret key shown by the service. You must label the account clearly so you can tell similar accounts apart later. Once you add it, the extension will start producing time-based codes. Note that clocks must be in sync so codes match. If codes don't match, re-enter the secret slowly and double-check for extra spaces. Finish by verifying the code. Copy the current 6-digit code from the extension and paste it into the service's verification field, then confirm. Once verified, save the service's backup codes in a password manager or secure vault and consider exporting extension data or recording secrets for device changes. If something goes wrong, make sure your device clock is accurate. Time drift is the most common issue. If codes still fail, remove and re-add the account using the same secret to force a fresh sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.